Greg Luther, and listen, I want to talk a little bit about realtor depression and setbacks you may face and losses that we have, that type of thing. I'm actually on my treadmill desk today getting a little work done, as you can see. And I want to talk a little bit about a call that I'm preparing for today. So many agents, as you know, if you've been following me for a while, we've got a lot of positive stuff, very specific things you can do to grow your real estate business. But the fact is, there's an awful lot of real estate agents that struggle with what's going on in their mind. Stuff they're dealing with in their personal life, sick family members, sick themselves, dealing with debt, worried they can't grow their business because they don't have enough money. So as I'm preparing for this call, we have a coaching call today for our Inner Circle members, those that I coach, where we're going to talk about how everybody deals with that stuff and how you can beat that, how you can get control of your own mind to then get control of your own actions. So as I'm walking on the treadmill here and getting ready for today's live call, I'm realizing that I've been through a lot myself. I've had some really bad stuff. I'm disclosing an awful lot on today's call about a lot of stuff that's happened to me. As you start to become very successful in real estate, a lot of people are coming after you. You end up with all kinds of issues, and you've got IRS and you've got credit card bills and that type of thing. So, by the way, I drastically underestimated the amount of oxygen you'll need to be on the treadmill while you're talking. I should do this more often. Maybe I'll drop a little weight that way. But anyway, this call today is designed for those of you that know you should be doing better in life, but you always come up with excuses, or there's always something that seems to be in the way, or you've got a lot of stuff that you've dealt with and it's kind of holding you back. I'm going to show you on today's call exactly how you fix that. So I think you'll find it very valuable. As you know, my whole purpose in life is to add as much value to you as possible. My second purpose is to find an oxygen tank right now. But I think you'll find that what we're covering today, everybody deals with the same thing you're dealing with. How is it that some people can come out smelling like roses? So we're going to talk about it on today's call. That recording, it's going to be a live call, and then of course that recording goes on the members' website along with all the other coaching calls we have for specific tactics and strategies and that type of thing. So again, kind of a positive message for you here today is I don't care what you're dealing with in your mind and your head right now in your personal life, as long as you handle it the right way. So I'm going to give you some tactics and strategies today. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I do. I think you're going to find it will be drastically different than you think how most people should handle these issues. I go about it pretty aggressively, and I'm going to show you that on today's call. So you're going to be successful when you decide you want to be successful. Hopefully you'll be on the call with us with all other Inner Circle members today. You should see, let me catch my breath. You should see in the description here a link to getfastclosings.com. You'll see a free recording on there. It's a 40-minute training to show you exactly what you can do to grow your real estate business, and you'll be able to get some information on how to join Greg Luther Inner Circle, so you can get not only the tactics and strategies we use here, but also how do you deal with that stuff that's in your mind right now. So I'm going to cover that once I get off the treadmill here. I've just about got our outline together for today's call, and I think you'll find it very, very helpful. Plan on seeing everybody on the call. Check out that link, getfastclosings.com. Those of you that are members with us, I just now sent out, right here from the treadmill desk, I literally just now sent out the link for today's call. So we'll make sure and get a final link to everybody for today's call. Let's make some money. Let's get you successful, and I want you closing a whole bunch of deals. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched, What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.